Welcome to our SEMrush tutorial on mastering competitor traffic analysis. In today's digital landscape, understanding your competitors' strategies is crucial for staying ahead in the game. Start by entering your competitor's domain into SEMrush's search bar. Instantly, you'll gain access to a wealth of data, including their organic and paid search traffic metrics, top-performing keywords, and even their backlink profile. Next, dive deeper into their organic search traffic by exploring the specific keywords driving traffic to their site. Identify high-volume keywords they rank for, and analyze the content they're targeting. For paid traffic analysis, SEMrush provides insights into your competitors' PPC campaigns, including their ad copy, landing pages, and budget allocation. Furthermore, leverage SEMrush's traffic analytics tool to compare your site's traffic metrics against your competitors. This comparative analysis can unveil opportunities and gaps in your strategy. In conclusion, by mastering competitor traffic analysis in SEMrush, you'll gain invaluable insights to refine your own strategies and outperform the competition. Start exploring today and unlock your pathway to digital success. Thank you for joining us in this SEMrush tutorial. Stay tuned for more SEMrush tutorials and unlock the full potential of this powerful tool.